Last year, Ski-Doo turned the industry upside down with a revolutionary Rev XP platform. Lighter, stronger, all told an average weight reduction of 50 pounds over even the original Rev platform. Ski-Doo engineers knew they had a good thing going. Adding the 600 HO E-Tech would be icing on the cake.
This is the first time we tried the first prototype. We knew the E-Tech would be a perfect match for the snowmobile.
It's in average 50 pounds lighter than any other snowmobile on the market.
It's just a superb answer to what the customers have been asking for.
A quick look at the numbers tells the whole story. At just 415 pounds, the Ski-Doo MXZ TNT 600 HO E-Tech is by far the lightest snowmobile in its class. The Polaris Dragon IQ weighs in at 476 pounds, 61 pounds heavier. The Arctic Cat F6 Snow Pro tips the scales at 495 pounds, making it 80 pounds heavier. And when compared to the Yamaha FX Nitro, you're looking at a whopping 107-pound difference. Talk about rider fatigue.
If anybody has never experienced an E-Tech two-stroke, they've got to go out and ride one.
Ski-Doo is the #1 big dog on the block right now.
They put their money where their mouth is every year and just keep innovating, and bringing new product to the market.
Ski-Doo isn't resting on their success. They're continuing to push the envelope.
These people have passion for snowmobiles.
And they're really being a leader as well as a market share leader.